Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the You Inspire Me collab hosted by Chelle from Chelle's Glam Home and Chelomie from Glamorous Penny Pincher. And they wanted us to take inspiration in one YouTuber, our favorite YouTuber, and recreate one of their pieces or tablescape or something. And I decided I wanted to make this beautiful food scale from Munee. Let me show you. And these are the beautiful scales that Munee made. I'm gonna leave you a link to her channel on the description box down below. I just love her channel. And to recreate those beautiful scales, at least the big one, we're gonna use this pot I found at Walmart and I paid 82 cents. This wooden plaque I found at Walmart also, $1. And this printout of a scale, and we're gonna use skinny sticks as I couldn't find the wooden table, mini table she used. And also a frame, an 8x10 frame I found at Walmart and I paid $1. So in total I spent $4 for this beautiful awesome scale. So let's get started. First, we're gonna build our legs. Munee used a table, a wooden table, and I couldn't find something like that over here, so I'm gonna build some legs out of those skinny sticks by cutting 2 of them and stacking 4 of those pieces on top of each other by using Elmer's glue, like so. We're gonna build 4 of those legs. Now that they're done, we're gonna let them dry and start working on our scale front. And for that, we're gonna use that wooden plaque that I showed you earlier, and we're gonna take off the sticker and the back part, and we're gonna take our printout, trace it to see how much space we're gonna have left over, and then we're gonna cut our scale front just like that. After that, we're gonna glue that on top of our wooden plaque by using some Elmer's glue I have mixed with water. You can use Mod Podge and you add enough, and after you just brush that out, you're gonna make sure your corners are really glued to that wood plaque because we want that to stay there. And after that, you're gonna add some more glue on top of that or Mod Podge and let it dry just like that. After it's dry, we're gonna paint all of that wooden space that we have from the wood plaque in black just like that, and we have it. Now we're gonna work on our legs and I'm gonna paint them. You cannot see it because I thought I was filming that corner but it wasn't, but we are painting them so you can see, and cutting the excess from the glue, from the wood, and taking off the excess glue just like that. And we're gonna paint the 4 legs we made in that black paint, acrylic paint. And after you finish that, painting all of them, you're gonna let them dry. And while they are drying, we're gonna work on our scale top and removing all of the back things, the FARMHOUSE, all of those. We're gonna clean them up, and then we remove the frame backing, and we're gonna use the cardboard to measure 3 sheets of copy paper because we want it to be really wide. We cut them, we add them to our frame, close our frame, and that will be it for that top part. And now I lost some footage, but I'm showing you that I added the scale front and I'm adding some cardboard to the bottom part of my pot as it's a little bit flimsy and I don't want it to bend. So I'm adding that cardboard and using some of the back part of our frame to cover those holes in the front part, because on the back we're not gonna see that part. And now I'm gonna add those legs on our top, like so, hot glue, and stick them, 4 of them. And then we're gonna add our frame by adding more hot glue and adding our frame, just like that. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have a beautiful scale with our lemons on top. This is how it looks. I just love how this turned out. It's so cute. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.